Hello. Sorry for my English, I'm from Germany, but I try my best. Okay, Nomad Sculpt, this is a way to make 2D images to 3D in Nomad Sculpt. Okay, you can use any application for 2D images. I'm using Procreate, and you can search the web for something. For example, for this tutorial, we are using such pictures as this floor plan, or I'm searching for silhouette, black outlines or black silhouettes. There's also a way to transform depth maps to a 3D object. Okay, and now this is Nomad Sculpt. This is an object from 2D plan, and the way is I'm switching to Procreate back. Here are the 2D plans, and these are the examples. For example, this text, or this fish, or the hand, or a plan with different views, front, top, and the side view. Okay, you export these images as a PNG, and then I'm using, for example, Adobe Capture. This is a free application to convert this to an SVG. There are also solutions to convert PNGs to an STL file, but I think SVG is a little bit better. You convert your images and then export them as SVG. Okay. Then there's an online web application for free, and you choose your SVG file. For example, I take the hand SVG and convert it. Takes a few seconds, and then can I this STL file I can download. That's it, and go to Nomad Sculpt. Now you can import add to scene, yes, and where's the hand? Here's the hand file, and it looks a little bit I show you the wireframe. This is the wireframe, and that's no problem. I go to the topology settings. Okay, and you can remesh it. The resolution remesh, and then it's fine. Then you can adjust the size a little bit. And now it's ready to shape, to cut something off, or to sculpt. I show another example. This is a car, and I'm hiding the other parts. The same process. You can remesh it and adjust the size a little bit. You can put the image in the background and make the size fit to the image in the background. And in this you can divide, you can split the images like this, and then you can rotate the views and cut them. For example, I use this one. I use the gizmo, and I put it there, or okay, that's the wrong Ansicht, the wrong view, but okay, you can do the things you want to do with these things. I show you another example. Add to scene, cancel, yes, and it's very fine with the text. I hide the other objects. With this text, I remesh it and then you can adjust the thickness and apply color. And a little bit of smoothing. Smoothing. And now your text is fine. It's a cool way to add geometry, like in Blender or on other applications. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.